Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Today we're going to use this machine to make a slot on this sharpening stone. Now we're going to show you how to do it. Let's go. First, fix the sharpening stone on the machine to make sure it doesn't move while grinding. We should put it in the correct position, then fix it strongly. Make the sharpening stone closer with the diamond dressing wheel, then press the start button. The diamond dressing wheel is moving slowly in a straight line.
Around the building that you drew and steal the person from a story that you think.
Move front. Then move back. Now you know, for aluminum oxide abrasive stone processing, we should use a diamond grinding wheel. Take a measurement of all sizes to make sure the slot is in the right position on the sharpening stone.